All right, y'all. Cooking up some street corn and chicken tacos on the Blackstone.
Okay.
You know, start off by throwing down a full bag of frozen corn
on
the Blackstone. Get that cooking up. Get it lubed up with your choice of oil. I went with olive oil.
My choice of oil
and then a little bit
would be
of
vegetable oil, olive oil. I think that's which flavor could burn on the flat top.
Rotel, follow that
of course,
up. I
is
have
critical.
all 4 burners on medium right now because I'm using
a 4-burner Blackstone. Is the Blackstone just the interchangeable term for
toss that about a
griddle?
bit. Let it start to brown up.
I don't know. I kind of feel like
some
it
of
is.
that Mexican crema.
Crema's great.
You don't have that in your part of the country.
Sour cream?
Go for some sour cream. It'll do just fine. And then hit it with a whole bunch of that cojita cheese.
Cojita? That's how I pronounce it. Who am I
Toss that
Who am I
around.
to
Try and
say?
keep this moving as much as possible because you don't want it to burn and stick to the burner. Throw in about 3 full tablespoons of garlic and then hit it with what my daughter calls a butt ton of
Butt ton is a critical term, is a technical term in the kitchen.
Get it mixed up real
That's
good.
important.
You can see it
Important
starting
measurement.
brown. Once you see that,
Salt,
you
pepper,
move it off to the side and get to work on your chicken.
Fennel seed would all be nice in there.
Clean the griddle first, of course. Get a fresh coat of oil down, then toss down your chicken.
Marinated chicken.
This is 4 chicken breasts, thin cut and marinated in siracha sauce and that Kinder's taco
seasoning. All right, sriracha sauce. I wouldn't think that
sriracha
keep those
sauce
comments coming. Would
I
be the
love
right thing for Mexican food because it's traditionally a Thai ingredient. But I did go to Latin grocery store and found
how you don't like to make
some Latin-style sriracha sauce. This will melt your face off.
Up, which should only take about 7 minutes.
Great on tacos.
Push it off to the side and then throw down some corn tortillas.
Okay. Push off to the side and off we go. I love these taco holders. I love that you can just make a whole dinner and serve it right off the black top.
Your chicken and then your corn, then a little bit of that
flat top,
a little bit of cilantro,
delicious,
and brown it in some sriracha sauce, and bam,
7 out of 10. I love it. Sriracha sauce. Get some. Put it on tacos. Yum.